we're going to do some exciting things. I'm going to go meet the boys in the park. We're going to do some meditation, which is an important part of being a liberated man, because you've got to take care of your mindset. And it's about orienting yourself in reality, because what is reality but the opportunity to create a relationship with things? Life is actually happening. Pay attention. You're in it right now, and it's real. So I like to look at this like every day is an opportunity to explore what it means to be alive. And it takes effort to be alive. That's what being a liberated man is all about, is like liberating yourself from restrictions, from fears, from doubts, from insecurities, from uncertainties, and also introducing new frameworks of possibility into your life. Because sometimes when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. And that's definitely the case when it comes to our subjective position in reality. Now, life can provide us with an opportunity to play a game. And in some ways, I think life is always wanting us to play a better game. It's an invitational platform that is providing us with many, many opportunities. There's literally billions of things that are going on around you right now that are potentially engageable. And the question is, where do you want to take that? What do you want to do with that? Because the truth is, you don't have a lot of time. We don't have a lot of time. Nobody's got a lot of time. It's a short reality that you have on this platform of 100 years or less. And it's important to make the most out of that when you get the chance. And life is kind of playful and serious all at once, because if you pay attention, there's a lot of shit things going on, as well as a lot of good things. And for a lot of people, myself included at times, life can become complex and sophisticated and a bit shit, and it becomes a bit heavy, and you forget about the possibilities that are in between the lines. And that's a big part of my job, is like, how do you open people up to seeing a new reality that is, more beautiful, it's more full of potential, and start to really engage with what it means to be alive. I think it's important to not be too arrogant in that process, because you can easily become, lost or obsessed in your own kind of selfishness if the game's all about you, because the game's not all about you. The game's about everything. The game's about everybody. You occupy the platform with plants and animals and people and beauty and all kinds of random challenges that are going to show up in between the lines. So it's about how do you match and play around with that. What can you do with that as an opportunity? And different people are at different stages. What stage are you at? Where are you at with your life? What kind of questions are you asking yourself? Have you ever thought about changing yourself? Some people don't even know what it means to think for themselves. They don't even know what it means to question their own realities, to understand their own internal dialogue, their own internal references. So this is what the liberated man is all about. The liberated man is like an opportunity to learn how to change yourself, how to change your life, how to become more fulfilled in a lot of amazing ways, in a way that is not just sitting behind a computer reading books. It's not just going to seminars and sitting there and watching a teacher tell you what to do. This is an interactive, three-dimensional, fully interactive, stimulating, virtual, actual reality. And you can engage in that actual reality. So I'd like to introduce actual reality to your life. It's like a new application. It's amazing. It's like better than any iPhone, better than any Android, better than any fucking game console, better than any new pop song. It is actually happening. And wherever you are and whatever you're doing, you've got an opportunity to experience it. And that starts now, right now. And you can start to build on that. Start in your body, start with your awareness. Start with questioning what's possible. So I've got a lot of things to say about that, and I'm gonna open up the Pandora's box, which is a big thing of amazing possibilities of what it means to be a liberated man, and to recognize that you are much more than you think you are. So let's see how it goes today.